welcome back. So this is another entrepreneur life video, episode 2. Okay, so first I'm gonna, every episode starts off with you guys getting ready with me to hit the town, to go out in the streets. As you can see, my hair is looking luscious. So I'm gonna start out with my hair. So this hair is from Allove Hair. I'm rocking the Brazilian curly hair. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna forget the ponytail for a little bit and I'm gonna do these baby hairs.
I woke up on your side of town. Thought I'd check in before I go. You could always say the right thing. You always knew just what to say to me.
To the baby hairs to like soften it up so it won't look like it's hard and crusty. Just put that on, just swipe it on. Wet this hair up with this Dollar Tree spray bottle that doesn't even spray that good. I need to get me a new spray bottle so you guys can see the hair pattern. Now what I am realizing, I am getting some shedding. I am getting shedding, honey, with this hair. Not a lot of shedding, but a little bit more shedding than what you should get, definitely when you're wetting this hair, which is like pretty much what you can expect with curly hair. But yeah, I'm just wetting it up. It's the amount of shedding I'm getting from Katrina to Selena. Okay, that's how you do it. My ponytail, I don't know, I can't do tight ponytails. That sounds so crazy, like, girl, don't you do hair? But I can't do tight ponytails. I think my hands are too weak or something. I got baby hands. I'm gonna be using this Cream of Nature argan oil with Morocco curling cream. It's a curling pudding, and make these curls. Look at this. But yeah, this is the hair, guys. It came out so good. Like, look at this. And the tracks are not shown in the back. Like, you cannot tell me that I'm not Spanish, Cherokee, and Indian Margarita.